Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and guys, welcome to my Back to Basics review. So as you can see guys, I am right inside the members area, and in a second I'll be showing you and explaining to you what this product is all about. Well, it has been launched recently by a guy, well, a very seasoned affiliate marketer, Dawud Islam. He has released quite a few products already, so I guess going for it, if that's for you, is a no-brainer because the quality will be good. Now, in a nutshell, it is like a training program for, well, as the name implies, back to basics. So for affiliate marketers who are just starting and who want to have things simplified, so without those like fancy terms, all those like APIs, codes, even some like autoresponders. You know, like at some point it may get too much, too complicated, and again at some point we may want to go back to simple terms in order to really understand what this business model is all about. So if you're like a beginner in affiliate marketing, or if you've done a bit of work in this field and you're still a bit confused, like like you're lacking some technical skills, you're having issues with this and that, then I would really recommend this course, as it will again bring you back to basics, and it is all very, very well explained and laid out to you, so you really get a good idea of what affiliate marketing is all about and how to create those affiliate marketing campaigns. So that's what it is in a nutshell, guys. If that's something for you, just stick with me as I will be showing you the members area. And also I have some amazing bonuses for those who decide to pick it up via the link that I have attached down below my video. Alright, so let me show you my bonuses first, which will complement Back to Basics beautifully. They have been put together by my mentor Jonah Armstrong, who has allowed me to use those bonuses to share with my buyers. So let's check them out. Now, as you can see on my bonus page, you will have like a short description of the product first, all of the prices, and like a short demo where Dawud Islam will be explaining to you what you can expect out of Back to Basics. Alright, so here we have bonus number 1, which is 2 high quality traffic sources to use. Now, as we know, no traffic, no money. So, what you will learn with Back to Basics will be all that is required of you to set up successful affiliate marketing campaigns, but then you want to sell them, right? So you have to know how to access the right kind of traffic. Because no traffic, no money, and with this bonus you will learn precisely that. Okay, and then next bonus is 10K email manifesto case study. So all about email marketing, guys, because later on down the line, you will be creating an email list. You will be capturing emails. So whoever will buy anything from you, you'll be creating those squeeze pages where your buyers will submit the email address, and then you have it like in your autoresponder, and then whatever product you will be releasing in the future, or whatever you will be selling, you can just fire up those emails to those to those clients, and then hopefully they will become your regular buyers. So email list, the money is in the list, as they say, is critical. Oh, next one is very interesting. It's called Boomerang Buddy Pro. So it's a product that will basically essentially show you how to create relationship with like huge influencers, and then and getting them like influencers on social media, and then getting them help you with your campaigns, with your promotions. Okay, and then we have all vendor bonuses, so all of the bonuses from the vendors, so the creators of Back to Basics, which have been given to me to give to you. And then I'll show them to you maybe now. They're right on the sales page. So it's bonus number 1 is discount on Academy membership. So you can become a member of high ticket program. Okay, for less than half price. Cool. Then bonus number 2 is exclusive Facebook group. So you can become a member of this private Facebook group, where you will have like additional free training each week. Next one is massive product bundle. So get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. And then bonus number 4 is 4 times reseller rights. So for not 4 times, 20 times reseller rights. So for 20 products that Dawud Islam has released previously. Amazing. And you can basically sell them as your own products and keep 100% commission throughout the whole funnel. And then next one is dedicated support, dedicated customer support. Awesome. Okay, so guys, once you buy this product that I have attached down below my video, you just smash one of these blue buttons, and then once you're on the sales page, you click on on any of these blue buttons as well. This one here. And that's how you basically buy it. How you basically buy Back to Basics. Alright, and then you will receive an email with the receipt that will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus. And then where you see this blue circled button, this is where my bonuses will be. And then the green one will be Back to Basics and all of the vendor bonuses, which come with just the front end, which is going at, well, currently actually $19.99. So because I am a little bit late with this review, it's past the launch already. So it used to go at $19.95. That was the early bird, but then when I was actually checking the sales page, guys, it's gone up to, wait, let's check it out. Yeah, $19.99, and I reckon the price might be even going further up. Who knows? All right. Anyhow, let's just check out the sales page quickly. It's a short one. It just says like, internet marketing got you confused? It's time to go back to basics. That's it. And then this is the creators: Dawud Islam, Manoj Kumar, and Walter Kremers. And what do they say here? Internet and affiliate marketing can be incredibly confusing for beginners, especially when they have limited technical skills. HTML, SMTP servers, API codes, autoresponders, WordPress plugins, YouTube videos, import codes, all of those terms can quickly tie you in knots if you're just starting out and don't understand what they all mean. Yeah, exactly. So here they come with this product, with this training course, and they will take you right from the start and explain very eloquently. I've checked it out. It's all very nicely explained. So here we are inside the members area, guys, and you will have some welcome videos from the creators of this course. You can join the Facebook groups, the YouTube channels. Just subscribe. They really have some amazing content. and done. So yeah, that's the welcome overview. And this is the main training section. So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. So introduction to the training. Hello from Manoj. And quick overview, affiliate marketing defined. So what it actually means in simple terms, affiliate programs, and how to create them. So here are all of the traffic sources where you would be putting out your promotions. So Facebook, Medium, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube videos, ebooks, forums. And then it will be explained about using affiliate links and wrapping things up and how to use the resources. And here's the resources. So brown the bargains. Free squeeze pages, so they'll give you squeeze pages, and thanks to those squeeze pages you will be capturing your clients' emails. And then special bonus package for back to basics, niches, and keyword list. Alright, and then we have conclusion and bonuses that I have already shown you, and some upgrades and unadvertised bonus, and the upgrades will be on my bonus page, guys. And now here are all of the prices. I will not be boring you and going through all of them. You have the link to my bonus page right below my video, guys. So yeah, you have the pro version, the executive club, reseller rights, and weekly done for you campaigns, which are amazing because they are really like time savers. And option number 5, become a beta tester for the affiliate elite academy. Wow, that's an expensive one. Well, you can ask them more via the support. Once you've got the front end, you can always reach out to them and ask them to explain to you more about the upsells. But probably the one I would go for would be the done for you campaigns, because they are huge time savers, and maybe the pro version as well, because they'll give you like advanced techniques, on how to take your business to another level, basically. But yeah, get the front end first. If that's something for you, great, you can take it further. If not, they always give you a money back guarantee. I think they give you 30 days money back guarantee. So no risk on your part, as they say. Anyhow, that was my back to basics review. I do hope you have found it helpful. And if so, if that's something for you, you know how to grab it via the link below my video. Alright, ciao. That's all from me for today. See you in my next one. Ciao, amigos.